Alright, here we go YouTube. Quick video and final update of the 6-pack individual. So what I wanted to share with you guys in this particular video is the lights that we added to the individuals. That way birds can do their nighttime feeding if they're going to be breeding. They have a set of babies, so if they would like to, they can still feed their babies at night. You guys can see they're sitting on their eggs. Gives them nice visibility at night. So I hope you guys like the final outcome of the build. I will be sharing the link in the description of these lights. And these lights do come with a remote, as you guys can see here. And this remote lets you either dim the light, brighten it, turn it off completely, and then turn it back on. And as you guys can see, everybody gets their light real nice and neat. I think this one stayed dim, put this one at 100. There we go. So hope you guys like the final outcome. Like I said, you guys will find the link in the description to the lights. The lights, you can manually turn them on and off here, and then turn them back on. And they do come with a magnet, and the magnet allows you to stick it back onto the cage. So when they do have to come back out to charge, you'll use the USB-C, I believe. It makes it real nice and simple to be able to recharge. So a bunch of questions on these. I share a lot on the MBRC website on Facebook. So if you guys would like to follow the MBRC page, you guys will see some of the updates as far as the birds go. So they do work off the remote like I showed you guys, or you can turn them on and off manually. So if you guys do like the setup, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think, and we will keep you guys updated with the new kit box build we have coming up, and I'll show you guys the dimensions and how I build it.